In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off creative enhancements and generative AI features in Facebook Ads Manager 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, what it does, and how to make sure it stays off so your ads show up exactly as you designed them. Start by opening your browser and heading to Facebook Ads Manager. The easiest way is to search for Facebook Ads Manager and click the official result. Once you're on the Business Tools page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you manage multiple businesses, confirm you're in the correct business account before proceeding. This helps ensure the setting you change applies to the right ad account. Next, sign in securely with your login details and complete any verification prompts if asked. After you log in, you'll land in the Ads Manager interface. If you see multiple ad accounts in the top left or top bar, switch to the one where you want to adjust the settings, then proceed to the main campaigns dashboard. This is the hub where you can view campaigns, ad sets, and ads. From the campaigns dashboard, look for advertising settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find this in the left-hand navigation or within the settings menu. Click it to open your account level controls. This area is where Facebook centralizes key defaults that can influence how your creative is handled across campaigns. Inside advertising settings, locate Advantage Plus Creative. This is the feature that enables creative enhancements and certain generative AI elements such as auto-adjusting your images, tweaking compositions, or generating variations to try to improve performance. While those automations can help in some cases, many brands prefer to keep strict control over visuals and messaging consistency, which is why we're turning this off. Open the Advantage Plus Creative section and make sure the toggle is turned off. If you see a Save or Apply button, confirm your choice so it sticks. Once disabled, Facebook will stop applying automatic creative enhancements and generative variations by default at the account level. Your ads will run using the exact assets and formats you upload, preserving brand colors, layouts, and copy. Before you wrap up, give your settings a quick review to confirm the changes reflected. If you don't see Advantage Plus Creative, double check your permissions and that you're in the right ad account, then refresh the page. That's it. Ads Manager, go to Ads Manager, log in, Campaigns Dashboard, Advertising Settings, Advantage Plus Creative, and toggle it off. Thanks for watching, and keep your creative right where you want it, under your control.